Here we are. Say hi, Kat. Parker.
Yes.
Connor, you don't have to say hi, but here he is.
What up?
Here's me and Savannah. Yes, we're wearing mustaches. It's okay.
Posers, I have a real one.
So yeah, today's in a pretty trying day, but
This is adhesive.
This is adhesive. These are adhesive. They're not real. I know they work so well with us, but these aren't real.
I'm pretending that it's been a while since I've shaved my face, but in reality it's just a sticker.
It's just a sticker.
The sticker's coming.
Thank you for explaining the joke, Savannah.
Connor, is yours real or is that stick-on?
It's stick-on.
Well, it's a little higher quality of a stick-on, but
That's why it's a different color from his hair, is because
Yeah, I
it's a
couldn't
stick-on.
find a match.
Oh, good grief.
My hair is like honey mist
Honey
wheat or
mist.
something. I don't even
Honey
know.
mist wheat.
I can't find the right color.
But we kind of had a little day off. We went and
Half a
ate
day
McDonald's, frozen yogurt. We went to Salvation Army, and me and Caitlin got some books.
Yes.
And then we just kind of chilled out in the mall for a little while. Do that again. What was that?
Yes. I had gyros for dinner. Yes.
1 year.
It was actually the
Not
worst
gyros,
one I've ever
plural.
had, but that's okay.
Oh, and this is she's got a fox. His name is Amigo Montoya.
This is an ego.
Killed its fox.
He looks a lot better with the
Die.
mustache than I do. Look at him.
Look at
Aw.
him. And then
Okay.
this is my bear. His name is Eugene Fitzherbert. Oh, he looks cute with the mustache too.
I feel that the fox looks a little better.
Yeah. But here we are, and it's just been a while, so
It's been a while.
we decided to video, but we'll put this up later. We just need to show off our mustaches.
Actually, they're gonna.
stick on it.
Because
When
they're
we
fun.
put this up, there will have already watched it. It will already be up. So you don't
It'll
have
probably
to
be Linden, but
Well,
I'm just saying.
but it'll be okay.
It's up,
Anyway.
it's gonna be up.
Are you wearing a stick
Y'all
on
are
mustache
awesome.
right now?
Give me
thank y'all so much.
Give me
for-
2 days.
Oh, and this is
If you're
this
wearing a
is
stick on
Alfred.
mustache, I don't want to hear
He's
it.
the back of Connor's seat. He's got Sonic stickers for his
My
eyeballs.
friend.
He's his friend. But
Really?
we'll see y'all later. Have a wonderful
I'll
time.
give you a shot
and
later.
A shot.
A cootie shot.
Buckle me.